Today I will cook Korola Sedho or mashed bitter gourd, a very simple, quick, easy to do Bengali recipe which is mostly eaten during the summer and the warmer days of the year with rice in the main course of meals. If you like my video, then please hit the subscribe, bell and like buttons. If you want to know how to grow bitter gourd organically, then please visit my gardening channel, Cheap Gardening, and do the same. I will share the link in the description box. I'm Renita. Welcome to my channel. Let's quickly go through the ingredients we need and start preparing them. I have taken bitter gourd 4 pieces or 300 grams. Cut the stem if any. Cut the bitter gourd into small pieces to boil the gourd faster. If we are not using potato, then take 8 bitter gourds. I have taken potato 3 pieces or 500 grams. Cut the potato into small pieces with or without the skin. I prefer to keep the skin as it has a lot of nutrients. I have taken red onion, half piece or a little over 3/4 cup. Finely chop the onion to give better taste and to crush easily. I have taken green chillis 3 to 4 pieces or about half tablespoon or as per taste. Finely chop the green chillis for better taste and help in crushing easily. I have taken Thai chilies, which is more closer to the Indian chilies. Let's start cooking by adding the potato in a pressure cooker. Add water 4 cups, salt half teaspoon, and diced bitter gourd. Submerge all vegetables in the water to boil all pieces nicely. Pressure cook in medium to high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, open the lid and check if the vegetables are boiled nicely by cutting the vegetables with a spoon. If not, then cook for some more time. Mine is cooked, so I have drained the water and put it in a bowl. Taste it to check if we need more salt. I need some more, so I added salt about 1/4 teaspoon. Raw mustard oil 2 teaspoon or as per taste. Chopped green chilies and chopped onion. With a vegetable masher, mash the ingredients to a paste. We can also add some finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. If we like the bitter taste, then we can skip the potato and add more bitter gourd. Potato is used to reduce the bitterness and increase the amount. I can never stress the goodness of bitter gourd enough. I will make a separate video on the health benefits of the ingredients used. However, my recent videos already describes them. You can check it out. I will also share the links to my videos on recipes made with bitter gourd when I have some time. So stay tuned. This is how it looks like after mashing. Taste it, add whatever is required. Mine is good, so I will serve it hot with some hot steamed rice. It serves about 3 to 4 people. I will meet soon. Till then, take care and bye.